Alright, so I'm starting my car. You can see it starts up great. It's already warmed up though. You can see it's idling pretty good. Here's tachometer. It's idling right now at about a little under 10,000 RPM. Starting to warm up, so it's going to start to increase a little bit to about 11. So it's in between 10 and 12 right now, which is actually where I set it at, so that's where I want it at. So I'm good to go as far as my idle adjustment is concerned. Alright, leave a comment if you have any questions.